Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel Agriculture Economics. In this channel I will cover the all videos for all courses in Agriculture Economics department. In this series I will cover the all topic of DEG 111 course, first semester course, democracy, election and good governance. This course I will cover the all topics. So let's see about the lecture first or first topic, democracy, introduction, meaning and classification. This is the some pictures regarding the Indian constitutions. First of all, we can see what is the democracy, what is the Indian constitution. Now we can learn about the Indian in this video, Indian constitution, democracy, election, good governance. Now first of all, we can see in the definition of the democracy or meaning of democracy. What is democracy? The word democracy is derived from the Greek word demos, which means the people, and kratos, which means the rules. So originally and really democratic means the rule of the people. Means this democracy is defined as the government of the people, by the people and the people. For the people right to express the spirit of the democracy is called as the democracy. The democracy word is derived from the two words. First is the demo, which means the people, and kratos, which means the rules. Means rule of the peoples. This is the meaning and definition of the democracy explained by the Abraham Lincoln. Meaning of the democracy means the government in which the peoples rule themselves directly and without need to professional politicians or public officials. A society is based on the equal opportunity and individual merit other than the heredity and the privileges. The system of the welfare and distribution aimed at a narrow social inequalities. This is the meaning of the democracy. Now we can see about the classification of the democracy. In that there are the different types of democracies. We can see in that there are the first direct democracy, representative democracy, constitutional democracy, non-constitutional democracy, federal democracy, unitary democracy, presidential democracy, parliamentary democracy. There are the different types of democracies are present in different countries. Now we can see one by one. First is the direct democracy. Direct democracy, which means the democracy also called as the participatory democracy. This was the first ever model of democracy introduced by the Greek state of the Athens in 3rd century. In this form of the democracy, citizens participated in affairs state directly and had a say in the governance of the city-state. It means that all the peoples or every citizen or every person are directly involved in the government or governance. Is called as a direct democracy. Features of the direct democracy is it is the height and the control of the citizens. It can be exercised over their own districts and they may only pure from the government. Means this is democracy or direct democracy is the pure form of the democracy. Direct people are involved in the government. This democracy create a better information and more politically sophisticated citizens. It is the more sophisticated and more informed to the every peoples. It able to public they express their own views. In this democracy, direct democracy, the people are direct in government, so they can express their feelings, their own views without having any really of the self-servicing. Those are the direct democracy. Then next second is the representative democracy. What is representative democracy? It is also called as limited or indirect democracy. It is also called as the indirect democracy. First is the direct democracy. Second is the indirect democracy, means the representative democracy. The narrow meaning of representative democracy means the democracy understood by the periodic voting after the stimulated times. In case of the India, every 5 years, means this democracy are present in India. In India, government selected by the every 5 years. However, larger meaning of the democracy is the fully participated in the day-to-day affairs of the government. The process of the election essentially to establish the link between the government and the governed. Means we can select one representative in the government. Not directly, peoples are not directly involved in the government. They can select one representative in the government. Some features are a direct democracy. It is the participative form of the democracy. It relieves the ordinary citizens' burden, decision making them possible to division of the labor politicians. The next, constitutional democracy. Constitutional democracy system based on the popular sovereignty in which the structure, powers and limit of the government are set from in the constitution. The next, non-constitutional democracy. The non-constitutional democracy is the form of the government that does not have or follow the constitutional rule. It means that in this democracy does not have any rule of the constitutional rules. In the non-constitutional democracy, the government does whatever does currently in power choose to do. Means that government have take any decision or any rule or any law at any time or any situation. No any fixed rule or no any fixed any constitutional rules in the non-constitutional democracy. For citizens, such a government are the unpredictable. They may violate on persons' right and impunity. The next type is the federal democracy. Federal democracy means system of the government which the power is constitutionally divided into the central governing authority and the constitutional political units. Each enforces to own law directly on the citizens, and either the national government nor constitutional political arrange without the constitutional powers. Then next is the unitary democracy. The unitary democracy system government with the constitutional authority lies the hand of the single central government. Means that single central government can handle the government or constitutional authority or power. The single central government administrative division created the central government responsibly every day administration of the government. This type of democracy are present in the Great Britain. And next is the presidential democracy. The government are the branch elected separately the legislative branch. The next, parliamentary democracy. Parliamentary democracy means the representative democracy whose political power is vested or elected legislature but is exclusive and legislative branches are not separate. These are the definition, meaning and classification of the democracy. In next video, I will cover the principles of the democracy or outcomes of the democracy. Okay, thank you.